Seriously, looks like tiles, doesn't it? Hey? Hey? It's just unreal. Natural rock formations. It's unbelievable. All naturally formed. Trust you to pick something up.
It's a big something.
It is a big something.
Is it eating them?
Leave that. Go have a look.
Come have a look.
Oh, so the rock.
There's his mouth in there.
Is it eating all those things from the inside the shells?
Yep.
Oh.
Doesn't look as attractive as the little cute ones you were playing with, does it,
I want
Kenzie?
the other side.
Want the other side? Oh, he's dropping everything.
You just got rid of his lunch.
See, he's tucking his feet in. You can see all his
Have a
feet.
look.
You just got rid of his dinner.
Gentle. You'll hurt him. You will pull that off. Yeah. See how he's all pulled everything
He's all
back
pulled,
in?
the orange bits are going in. Look at that.
And he's closed his mouth.
What does he feel like?
Feel him.
He's
It's just
hard.
He's not soft. The top is. You know, what happens when you cut him in half, Kent?
Yeah.
If you cut him in half, you know what happens?
Chill.
No.
He grows back.
He goes back. You know, two of them. They did that with a crown of thorns. They thought they were doing the right thing.
They thought they were killing them all
They
off.
didn't. They doubled the population. You want to hold him?
What do you mean?
Nope.
He's
Oh.
not slimy.
If I hold him, will you hold him?
Yeah. What do you mean crown of thorns? Maybe.
He's heavy.
He is heavy.
Maybe.
Kenzie, he doesn't hurt. Oh, he's curling up around my hand.
He is. He's starting to droop and move because he wants down.
Kenzie, have a go.
No.
Hey, you said you would. You'd hold all those little teeny
Come on,
tiny
sweet.
ones. He's back down there. Look at that.
Dad, is this Bella? Is this what you wanted to show me?
Can't believe you won't touch him.
Watch it see him move. Look.
Oh, look at that.
He's moving. Those legs come out, and that's how he moves across the bottom.
Hang on, Boo. We're watching the starfish, honey. Why don't you come and have a look? Look at these guys moving.
That's okay.
They're like out of here.
They're moving around there quite quickly, aren't they?
Yeah, could they see this
Can you
thing?
see the?
Oh, look at these two on this
Look at
one.
this one.
Oh, it's moving.
Yeah.
What is that? Oh, okay.
It's don't, you touch it, it'll stop. Did you just touch it?
No.
He's moving. Slowly, but he is.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's about as quick as they go.
That's a tickly.
Just watching all these little snails.
Don't touch him, baby. Just watch it.
Yeah, look at this poor snail that's about to get eaten. Uh-oh.
He's got 3 going under there at the moment.
Oh, has he? Oh. That's what he eats, honey.
I would be all the way over there.
Well, he's a bit quicker
He's
than
a
the
bit quicker
snails.
than-
Oh, look at the
snails.
one with the little one on him.
Yep. Hitching a ride.
Boo, do you want to come
Oh,
around
he
this side,
missed
honey?
him.
Because
Did he?
you're standing there with a
He's
shadow.
there.
Honey, come around this side. Come around.
Right, sorry. If
Thank you, darling.
If he cut off the things, then of his tentacles, then he'd just grow back more.
Depending on how much is there, they will grow back.
What was the bubble?
Just him. Off the
See?
shell.
Well, that one got away. I'd be hightailing it out of there too, wouldn't I?
I'd be one of these
Who's he
lucky
going
ones.
after up here? Look, he's all stretched out.
They're using him
He's
to go.
checking out where he needs to go. He's going to run out of water there, isn't he?
No, he'll go through that gap.
You reckon?
I want to see him go through that gap.
Alright, I might pause.
Hey,
No, he's massive, yeah.
He's eating one of-
He's obviously, well,
He's actually finished that.
he's finished eating, yeah.
he's empty.
See, he's eating that. That would be a good one for your collection because you know the thing.
Wow, look at his feet sticking out. He was rather large, isn't he?
What does he look like on the
Oh, don't you gotta watch him turn over? Let's watch him turn. There's another one under there. A crab?
Oh, look like a crab. Yeah. Okay, he's free. Oh,
That had a fish in it.
yeah.
What?
There's a fish in it.
A fish in his what? In his mouth?
No, in the shell. That
Oh,
shell
okay.
he got somehow. had a fish in it.
He's got the rid of it.
Kenzie, what have you got? You happy to pick that one up?
Yeah.
Daddy puts the other one back?
Did you give him back his shell?
Wow, these rock pools are proving to be quite popular, aren't they?